Question often asked is the doctor, how many hours of sleep do I really need? In fact, I just saw a patient who said that he was trying to wake up after 5 hours of sleep, had to put multiple alarms, but could not wake up. So his reason for consulting was that I want to get up after 5 hours. So I think first we need to understand that how many hours of sleep does a body really need depends upon the age. We do know children, newborns may sleep for almost 18 hours. And as one grows older, the quantity of sleep required becomes less. And an average adult needs about 7 to anywhere between 8.5 hours of sleep. So, and that's the majority of the population. A very small percentage, a minority, less than 5%, can do with less than 5 hours of sleep or more than 8.5 or 9 hours of sleep. So, thus, if you are trying to wake up after 5 hours of sleep, your body will not allow you to wake up. And these are unrealistic expectations. So, I would suggest find out how many hours do you really need, and how does one do that? By not needing an alarm. And when you wake up fresh, bright, happy, cheerful, ready to go, and you are productive during the day. And that's what is a good sleep and a healthy sleep. So I do hope this is clear, that get the amount of sleep that you need and you will wake up fresh, and then you will not need these multiple alarm clocks to wake up.